Alrighty, so here we have my dog conscious dental check. This is Bunsen. He was coming in because he had some bad breath, and he's getting older, so we just got him in to have a quick look. I'm sorry you can't really see me here. I do move him in a minute, but he did actually have... There was no breaks or anything, but his teeth were disgusting. He was about a grade 3 or 4. There wasn't too much gingivitis, but there was, like, on his back teeth. There was just so much calculus and build up on all of his teeth. And he's, like, 7 or 8, so I don't think he's ever had a dental, so I'm not necessarily surprised. Especially being a Jack Russell pug. It's a solid mix for some dental issues. But, I noted everything down. He was missing a couple of teeth, so I don't know if that, has something to do with it. But, I'm having a really good look through his mouth here, just making sure I notice everything. And then I write it all down, which I will submit my forms for this separately as well. But he was a very good boy. He let me look everywhere. And then, here I just write everything down on the form. And then Rochelle's just taking him back now. But I write everything out, fill it all in. And then the next video is my cat. I would have kept the sound on, but my vets were having... not that you can tell here because I'm laughing, but my vets were having a conversation about a patient and a client, so I decided that I was going to cut it out. Same with my cat one, I've just decided to mute them because I was talking about the mouth in the video, but my vets were discussing things, and so I decided it was better to have it off. And so here we have my cat dental check. This is Pan, our gorgeous girl. So just popping my gloves on here. She came in for a dental check because she's booked in for a dental next week. So we're just having a look. She didn't have too much build up. There was some build up on her, upper teeth. My main concern was that her back molar was actually fractured, in half. You can see that I get Sarah to have a look in a minute. But the rest of her teeth were okay. She's had dentals before, and she's 17, so this is kind of going to be her last dental, but she's definitely had dentals before, and so she had teeth missing. She was such a good girl for me. But same with Bunsen, I just have a really good look through So yeah, it was this side. This left side has a fracture on her lower molar, which was very interesting. We've got no idea how that happened. But yeah, so I'm just having a good look through here, and then I note everything down again, which I have the photo in here, and I will attach that photo of the dental form as well. But yeah, she was a perfect girl. And I'm just having another look at that back molar again, making sure that I know which one, which tooth it is. But yeah, so just gonna write everything down now, and then yeah, as I said, I will attach it all for you.